Hey friends, right now we are going to be taking a look at the Word Problems Episode A practice assignment on our Math Seesaw. Once you click on the assignment, this should be what you see. So let's start by reading the instructions. Watch the Word Problems Episode A video on YouTube. That's where you're at right now. Step 1, check. Once you've watched the lesson, complete the rest of the word problems on your own. Take your time, use your strategies, and as always, do your best work. You can do this. To respond to this assignment, you're going to click on that green add response icon. You're going to read each question closely and use the highlighting tool to find the clue words. You can either use a text tool or draw in your answers to answer each question, but make sure you show me your work. Double check all of your answers and then tap the check button to submit and add to your math journal. So I'm going to read through this and kind of walk you through what my thought process would be as I'm solving these problems. Hopefully it helps you figure out a way to solve it as well. First thing I'm going to do is go to my highlighter tool and read the prompt. Fernando is going to the movie theater with his friends. He has $30 in his wallet. His mother gives him $20 more. He wants to buy as many movie tickets as possible with this money. So I know that he has $30. And I know that his mother gives him 20 more. And I'm going to put a little extra highlight on that word more because that's one of my clue words. He wants to buy as many movie tickets as possible with this money. All right, so the first question says, which equation shows how much money Fernando has in all? Remember, an equation is the type of math, it's the math problem that you're going to set up to find the answer. So which math problem setup will help us figure out how much money Fernando has in all. And remember, we're looking for those clue words. In all is a pretty big clue word. That tells me that I'm going to put different things together to find a total. When I'm doing that, it makes me think of addition. Number 2. Which algebraic expression can be used to calculate the number of tickets Fernando can buy? The variable y equals ticket price. So that sounds really complicated and kind of scary, doesn't it? So I'm going to think about it in terms of splitting up that $50 into as many movie tickets as I can. So for this one, let's go through the options for answers and see which one might make sense, because this one's a little trickier than number 1. So it wouldn't make sense to take the price of a movie ticket and divide it by $50. That just doesn't make sense. For B, if we have $50 and we separate it by the cost of the movie ticket, that might work. That's taking out a group of dollars for every single movie ticket. That one seems to make a little bit of sense to me. C is $50 minus Y. Well, we start with $50 and we take away the price of one movie ticket. That could help us, but we'd have to do that like a lot of times, right? I don't think that's the best way to solve the problem. And then D is adding the $30 he had plus the $20 he got from mom and taking away the cost of one movie ticket. I don't think that's going to help us either because we know he's buying more than one ticket and we need to figure out how many he can buy. So, out of those answers, one makes a lot of sense, one makes a little sense but would take a lot of work, and 2 don't make much sense at all. So do your best to figure out which one makes the most sense. Number 3 asks, if tickets cost $5 each, how many tickets can Fernando buy? So that means we need to figure out how many times does 5 go into 50. You can think about that 2 ways. If you like division and you want to practice division, 50 divided by 5 equals what? Or if you're still a little shaky on the division and it makes more sense to multiply, think about it as 5 times what equals 50. The last question on this page, number 4, says, if tickets cost $7 each, will he have enough money to buy tickets for himself and 7 friends? All right, so tickets cost $7 and he needs 7 tickets. So if we start with $50, can we take 7 out 7 times? So we're pulling groups of 7 out of 50. Another way we could check that is to say one ticket costs $7. Let me get out my pen. So we know one ticket costs $7. That tells us 2 tickets cost $14 and 3 tickets cost $21. We could go on until we get to 7 tickets and see if it's more or less than 50. Because if 7 tickets costs more than $50, will he have enough money to buy tickets for all of his friends? And you know what? I just saw something super important. It's not enough money just to buy 7 tickets. It's for himself and 7 friends. So if I, Miss Roberts, took 7 friends to the movies, I would actually need 8 tickets. So can he buy 8 tickets at $7 each for less than $50? Do your best to solve this one. It's pretty tricky. And make sure that you explain how you found your answer. For the explain, it's probably going to be best to use a text box to type out your words, but you can do the rest of the work in pen. Make sure you show me your work. Moving on to the next page, we have a new prompt. It says, Hadley has a coupon that she can use at the movie theater. It says, buy 1 ticket, get a second ticket half off. So that means the price of the second ticket is half the price of the original ticket. A movie ticket regularly costs $12. So the first problem on this page, which is actually question number 5, asks, which equation shows the regular price of 2 movie tickets? Remember, equation is just a fancy word for math problem. So which math problem would we use to find the regular price of 2 movie tickets? Option A is 12 plus 6 equals 18. So I see that 12, that's the price of 1 regular movie ticket, but we're looking for the price of 2 regular movie tickets, the regular price. Option B is 12 times 1/2 equals 6. That tells me what a half off ticket would be worth, but that doesn't help me find the price of 2 regular priced movie tickets. C, $12 times 6 equals 72. So when it's times, that means it's getting bigger. So that means we have $12 6 times. So that's 6 movie tickets. That doesn't tell me the regular price of 2 movie tickets. And D is $12 times 2. So that's $12 for a ticket. For 2 tickets equals $24. Please circle the answer you think makes the most sense to show which equation shows the regular price of 2 movie tickets. Moving on to the next question, number 6. Which expression shows the regular price of 2 movie tickets with the coupon? So we talked a little bit about what to do when you have parentheses. Remember, the first thing you always do is solve inside the parentheses first. So we'll do 12 plus whatever 12 times 2 equals for A. For option B, first we would do 12 plus 2, which is 14. 12 times 14. For C, 12 divided by 2. If we split 12 in half, what does that equal? That's 6. So 12 plus 6. Or D, 12 divided by 2. If we split 12 in half, remember that's $6. If we take 12 minus 6. Which one of those best represents one movie ticket for $12 and another movie ticket for half of $12? Circle the answer you think makes the most sense. After you solve number 6 and you figure out which one shows how you're going to find that answer for 2 movie tickets using that buy one get one half off coupon, that answer you chose for number 6 is going to help you solve for number 7. How much will Hadley pay for 2 tickets if she uses the coupon? So if she buys 1 ticket full priced and gets another ticket for half price, how much will she spend total? Please show your work and write your answer onto the line next to the question. If you have any questions about this worksheet, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message on Dojo, or rewatch any part of this video you think might help you. Good luck and have a good day.